Welcome back to our series. In this session, we'll be looking at images and tables. So let's start. In this session, we will learn about attributes, images, and how to insert images, tables, how to insert tables and what they are used for, and some more tags. Now, attributes. What are attributes? As in the previous session, we have learned about tags. Attributes are very much connected to tags. Attributes make tags more versatile. They extend the use of a tag. For example, if you want to insert an image, then you will also specify the size of that image. So in cases like those, you will need to use attribute tags. Images and how to insert them. Images play a major role in the making of web pages. They add a lot of detail and beauty to the web page and even makes understanding things easier. So to insert an image, we need the image tags and the source attribute to define the location of your image in the computer. These things are necessary. Let me give you another brief explanation of what we have just read. The image tags and the source attribute are necessary. We can also use some other attributes in the image tag. For example, we can use the width and height attribute to set a definite size of the image. We can also use an attribute named as alt. This attribute will display a brief message when you mouse over an image. Now, let me give you an example. Can you see my mouse? A dot that pulsates when I click? Alright, I'm going to mouse over on this battery icon. Can you see this brief message here that says fully charged 100%? That is a brief message when I mouse over that icon. So that same thing is going to happen when you're going to mouse over an image. And you can customize that message whatever you want. Tables and how they are inserted. What are they used for? Tables help us in organizing data. Tables can help us represent data in a much better way. I think that if you have studied about Excel, you might know a lot about tables. Tables can help us represent data in a much better way. A table is a visual conception that shows us the data in a visual format, whereas text is long, takes more time to read, etc. This is an example of an HTML table. To insert tables, we use these table tags. To insert one column, we use TD tags. And to insert a row, we use TR tags. Let's have a look at some other tags. Tags used for formatting text data. Heading tags, bold tags, and italic tags. Let's start with heading tags. Here we can size up text. There are size scales up to 6. That is 1 as the largest size and 6 as the smallest. For example, if I want to size up, I am a boy and I want the font size to be on this biggest scale. I am a boy. That sentence has to get bigger. That's what I want. And I want it to be on this biggest scale. So, as I mentioned above, the largest scale from 1 to 6 is 1. So, we're going to write as follows. H1, I am a boy, /H1. As you can see, over here and here. Now let's move to bold tags. Bold tags. The text in between these tags will be bold and would be more visible than the other text. Italic tags. The text in between these tags will be italic and would be tilted slightly. If you have used MS Word or some other Microsoft Office product, you would know about bold and italic. I will mention more tags in other videos, as it may take too much time, and I want to wrap up the video quickly, because we have a lot to cover right now. Okay, so now let's start with our programming. So we're going to open Notepad, and now we are going to program. So what we want to do is we want to first enter our HTML tag, because this is the main tag, and let's just like make a closing tag right now too. So we're gonna do all our work between these two tags. And now, as I told you before, I want to make a title bar tag, a title bar, and I want a good title in my title bar. So for that, we're gonna write head. We're gonna close our head. We're gonna make title. We're gonna make the title tag. We're gonna close the title tag too. In between the title tag, I'm gonna give a name. So do that. We're gonna make it as tutorial 2. Now let's move to the image and the table. So now we're gonna add our body tag. And here we're gonna first add our image. So we're gonna use the image attribute, image tag, and we're gonna get the image source. Which is equal to, okay, once that's done, we're gonna go and look for our image. Okay. This is my image. So I'm gonna right click on it. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom onto properties, and I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna copy this location, Control C, and paste it here. Simple. Okay? Now I'm going to make a slash, like that. Then I'm going to go back. Now let me tell you what we have done here. I have only given the location of this folder, that is content for my tech channel, which is this folder. I have only given this location. I have not given the location for the image. I have not like given the details of the image that I wanted there. I've only given the details of the folder right now. Now I'm going to give the details of the image. So I'm going to right click. Well, I don't need to because I have this open. And I'm going to copy this part. Okay? I'm going to copy this whole thing. That. And after making the slash, we're going to paste it. Simple. Now we're going to make this colon like that. And now we're going to write style. Okay? Which is equal to, wait, you gotta make, or no. Width. Alright. Equal 100 px. What does px stand for? Px stands for pixels. You can give your size in percentages, but we're giving it in px right now. And yes, do put a colon here, as such. Now, height, which is equal to, or this column, is equal to 90 pixels. Take that, 90 pixels. Okay, now we have made this attribute, and now we're going to close our image. Okay? Now let's save this. We're gonna, as I told you before in the previous video, whatever name you give it, let me just give it as tutorial 2. Okay? Dot tutorial 2. Give another name because I already have a file. Alright? Dot HTML. That is, or HTML. That is a must. Okay? I'm saving it in the desktop. I'm going to go and open it. Let me just search it. Here it is. We've got our image. Now we're going to go back. And now we are going to make our table. Okay? Let's make our table. That is, we're going to add our table attribute. Simple. And after table, we're going to write border. Alright? Because right now I'm going to make a table with visible borders. So we're going to do that. Which is equal to, you can like enter any number. Any number would be like your thickness. So I'll enter 3. I think that's the best. And make a double code. Like that. Both sides. Now, over here, you have to make a table row. So, first that. And then, we're going to make a table column. So, I'm going to press TD. And then create, so we're going to add models. Of this. Okay? We're going to add another TD. Which would be for aircraft. The Boeing 737 next generation. We're going to close our TD. As simple as that. Okay? We're going to make another TD. Let's do just one last more. Okay, now we're going to close our TR. And we're done with this row. Okay? We're done with our row. We're going to make another TR. I'll just complete my table quickly. Okay. Then the last one. 4. And then we're gonna close our TR. Done. Control S to save it. We're gonna go and refresh. Here on the bottom we have a table. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like my video, and do subscribe to my channel. And I'll put my series of videos in the playlist. So do not forget to watch all of them. These videos are especially for 8 to 12 years of age of children. So do enjoy my videos, and thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.